Good morning children. Today we have to do the question number 7 of exercise 1A. Here we have to do the comparison by solving the left hand side and right hand side. So children, just look how we have to do that. First of all, we'll take the left hand side. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. We have to open the brackets, -1 and this plus minus become minus. So it becomes -1 minus 5. So these two are having the same sign. So we have to add that and we have to put the negative sign here. Similarly, come to the right hand side, -7 and this minus become plus. So it is -7 plus 5. Now one is negative and other is positive. We have to subtract that 2 and the sign of the bigger number we have to take, that is -6. Now if we compare -6 and -2, the digit with the greater value in negative numbers, the digit with the greater value is smaller. So here we can put the less than sign. -6 is less than -2. Similarly, come to the second part. Again we have to solve the left hand side and right hand side here. Left hand side and right hand side. So first of all we have to subtract 42 and 35. 42 minus 35 plus 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So plus 12, that is equal to 19. First of all we have to do the subtraction and after that we have to do the addition with 12. Now 42 minus 35 minus 12. First of all we have to do the subtraction here. 7 minus 12. Now one is positive and the other is negative. The number is not having the sign, that means it is with the positive sign. So we have to subtract 12 and 5, that is that is 5. 12 minus 5 is 7 and we have to put the sign of the bigger number, that is 12 minus. So 19 is greater than -5 here. Now come to the third part. 6 minus -2 plus 5 and here -1 minus -2 minus 3. So left hand side again and right hand side. So 6 minus plus 2 plus 5. So all the numbers are added. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 5 is 13. Now -1 minus becomes plus 2 minus 3. Now first of all we have to take these two numbers, -1 plus 2. So we have to subtract 2 and 1 and we have to put the sign of the bigger number, that is 2. अगर एक माइनस एक प्लस का होता है, दो नंबर्स हम एक साथ लेके करते हैं. अगर एक माइनस एक प्लस का है तो हमने दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है और साइन बिगर नंबर का आएगा. बिगर नंबर इज़ प्लस. सो 1 minus 3. Now again one is positive and other is negative. Again we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus 1 is 2 and we have to put the sign of the bigger number, that is minus. So 13 is greater than -2 here. Now come to the fourth part. -135 plus 64 plus 41. First of all we have to take these two. 5 minus 4 is 1. 13 minus 6 is 7. We have to put the negative sign because the bigger term is with the negative sign, plus 4. Again one is negative and other is positive. We have to subtract that. 11 minus 4 is 7 and this is 6. So it is -67. Now come to the right hand side. -159 minus is plus 81 plus 160. We have to take these two. We have to subtract here. 9 minus 1 is 8 and 15 minus 8 is 7. So it is -78 plus 16. Again we have to do the subtraction here. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 7 minus 1 is 6. We have to put the sign of the bigger term, that is 78 minus 62. Now if we compare -67 and -62, which number is greater? -62 is greater. नेगेटिव में जो नंबर की वैल्यू छोटी होती है वो एक्चुअली बड़ा होता है and -67 is less than -62 here. Now children, with this question our exercise is completed. Now if you are having any problem in the explanation of that addition and subtraction of integers, you can ask me personally. Now children, we will discuss about the multiplication and division of integers. The rules of multiplication and division of integers is same and they are little bit different from that of the addition and subtraction. If we are multiplying two negative numbers like -4 into -2, so minus into minus is plus, so the answer will be plus 8. And if we divide -4 and -2, so our answer will be 4. 2 2s are 4, so answer is plus 2 here. If 2 negative, so the answer will be positive in multiplication and division both. Now if one number is positive and the other is negative, like -4 into 2, so our answer will be 8 with the negative sign. अगर एक नेगेटिव होता है तो हमारा आंसर माइनस में आता है, whether it is second or first number. -4 divided by 2, again it is -2. So these are the rules for multiplication and division. If both are negative, the answer will be positive. If one is negative and other is positive, the answer will be negative. चाहे वो फर्स्ट नंबर हो चाहे सेकेंड हो, 2 into -4 is equal to -8. So that thing you have to keep in mind always while solving the questions based on multiplication and division of integers. That I have written here also. Minus into plus is minus and minus into minus is plus. Now with this explanation, we are going to start our exercise 1b. We have to find the following products. 7 into 3, 21. Now minus 7 into 3, 1 is negative, so our answer will be minus 21. पहले हम सिंपल नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और ये देखेंगे कि साइन एक के साथ है नेगेटिव या दोनों के साथ. 7 3s are 21, so answer will be minus 21 here. Now here if we see 2 are negative, so 7 3s are 21 and minus into minus is plus. So simply we have to write 21 as answer. Minus 4 into 4, 1 is negative and the other is positive, the answer will be minus 16. 8 into minus 9, the answer will be 9 8s are 72, 1 is negative, so minus 72. Minus 17 into 0, any number if multiplied with 0, then the answer will be 0. Whether it is negative or positive, any number if multiplied by 0, then the answer will be 0. Children, 8 and 9 question is your homework. Now come to the 10th question. We have to multiply 500 with minus 19. So the answer will be negative. We have to put 2 zeros here. So minus 9500 is our answer here. So children, you all have to complete your work till 10th part of that, and if any problem exists, you can ask me personally. Thank you.